Hi everyone. Today I will show 2 different ways to know about your RAM usage and other RAM information while using your computer. Firstly, you need a tiny software called RAM Expert. I really like this app for so many reasons. Here you can see, my RAM usage is almost 10 GB out of 16 GB of total memory. It's also showing you the number of your RAM slots, current installed RAM or memory, and the maximum memory you can use in this PC motherboard. On the bottom, the physical information of both the RAM are given with full details. You just can keep it aside while working and monitor the RAM consumption. To get it, you can simply use this. And this is only 3.84 megabytes in size. Secondly, you can also use Taskbar's default RAM management to watch RAM usage. Right-click on Taskbar, go to Task Manager. Come to Performance. Under Memory tab, all the information are listed. But this won't show you details like the earlier RAM Expert software does. So, these are the 2 different ways to get in touch with RAM in your PC. If you found this useful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.